How to fix fingerprint sensor not working on Samsung. In this video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to fix this error. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your settings, scroll down until you find your biometric settings. So go to security and privacy and then go to biometrics. And once you tap on the biometrics tab, you should be able to see your fingerprints that you've added here. So what you can do is try to remove them and add them once again, because sometimes the fingerprint reader does not work on wet fingers, or you might have registered your fingerprint while your fingers were wet, so you could just go ahead and re-register them. The second thing you can try to do is scroll down, go to General Management, and then reset all of your settings. So go to Reset All Settings. It will reset your security, language, accounts, personal data, as well as settings for downloaded apps. Now, once you've resetted your settings, restart your phone once, and you should be good to go. After doing that, your problem should be pretty much fixed. But if it doesn't fix, then you're going to have to check your touch sensors. You can do that by opening up your phone styler, type in *#0*#, and then this pop-up will appear on your screen. Go to touch, and then from here check if your touch sensors are working properly or not. Go ahead and touch all of these areas and boxes. And once you do this, you could just go ahead and see the touch sensitivity is perfectly working fine. Now go to sensor and then go to fingerprint test. Tap on normal scan and it will show you the scan. If there are any problem with your fingerprint sensor, it will show right here on the results. You could also go ahead and check the sensor info and check its UID. After doing all of this, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.